Welcome back to How to University. Before we get started, like always, hit that subscribe button, turn on that notification bell, and don't forget to like the video to connect more creatives to the How to University channel. So in today's video, we're going to teach you how to make a ebook cover. So we're going to head over to our tool Canva, and it's simple. All you have to do in the search bar is type in ebook. Once you have typed ebook in that section there in the search channel, of course, like always, we're going to get thousands upon thousands of different ebook covers. Now, depending if you want to locate a specific style, you want to go and navigate to the left hand side of the screen and look under the section called styles. And in this section, you'll see you'll have corporate, professional, fun, clean, creative, vibrant. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a creative one. So now it's going to edit and go through all of the ones that would be considered creative. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and make one that's going to be kind of inspired here by the channel How to University. So we're going to go ahead and select this one here with the plant. And when you select that, remember, it's always going to give you different recommendations underneath. So make sure that you go through that. And if you see something that you like, then we can say, okay, hold on a second. Let me go ahead and select that one. But as of right now, I really like the one that I have. After clicking that here, you can go ahead and remove the background by selecting the entire image of the plant. You're going to go over to elements on the left and we're going to type in how to. And it's easy. Now that you're here, we're going to drag an image and we're going to go ahead and double click and move that person over into the frame. And here we're going to change the text. So how to, and we're going to say University. Of course, it's a little big, so you're going to go up to the text size and we're going to minimize that until it fits in place. And then we're going to put a @ and ours here is how to master the web. And of course, it's size 12, so we're going to make it a little bit smaller. And here is an ebook cover. But let's go ahead and go a little step further so we can see exactly how we can make this even better. So we're going to go ahead and add a couple of different things like graphics that are here free within the platform of Canva, right? And remember, this is where you can get creative and let your creativeness flow. And you can add different things here to make your ebook cover stand out. So let's say you're publishing it on, Amazon or Instagram or Facebook, wherever it is, right? It's up to you how you want to do this. And remember, get creative under this element section because you can find so many different things that can make your ebook cover stand out. And of course, right now I'm going a little crazy into the design things here because I probably wouldn't add this onto my book cover, but just so you guys can get an idea of all the things that you are able to do within the Canva platform to create that ebook cover. So for now, this is the video. If you found that helpful, make sure to like the video. Also comment down below if you're wanting to see another tip and trick here in Canva. So without further ado, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.